Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video, I will show you a different method for object instantiation with the package name. So without any delays, let us begin. Now normally, when you instantiate an object, you type in the data type, then the object name or variable name. Let us use variable name for simplicity, is equal to new, then constructor name, like so. And if this data type is in a different package, you simply import that package. Import package name dot data type. So let us cover an example. An array list. I will create it with an integer. No need to do so here. So this is correct instantiation, but we need to import the array list as you can see here. There is another method by which you can instantiate this object. This is particularly important if you have two different packages that contain the same name of the class, such as I believe the class date is shared across multiple packages. I believe so. I see. Java.util and Java.sql. Now, if you try to import both, you will have an issue with the compiler. Let us try importing this. And let us try importing the other one from SQL. D2 is equal to new date. And it probably needs a I do not know what this needs, and that is not the purpose of this lecture. But as you can see, because there is a conflict between these two classes, you are unable to import the same class from two different packages. So what is the other method by which you can instantiate an object? You use the package name alongside the class name, and that saves you the trouble of having to import it here. So because I wish to remove this error, let us remove this. I do not wish to use the importation statement. So what can I do? I can simply say java.util.arraylist like so, but I have to do it on both sides of the equal. So I have to implement the same system on both sides of the equal sign. Util dot like so. And this removes the necessity for using or resorting to an importation statement. So the other syntax here will be, so this is without the package name. Now we can transform this to the following, and I will use the same colors simply to match. Package name dot data type, variable name is equal to new package name dot constructor name, like so. So this is how you can instantiate an object using the package name. and you can declare the data type of any variable or object using this method. Simply remember, you do not need the importation statement if you will use this method. If you will use this method or this approach and your class needs to be imported, you have to import it. So keep that in mind. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.